Hi, these multi-cookers are really useful gadgets and very energy efficient. But what happens if you can't get the food out? The lid seems to be locked. Well, first of all, unplug from the mains. Then prise the fan cover off using the handle of a teaspoon. Then, inside, at the back right-hand side, you'll see this locking pin. It's a pressure interlock. It prevents the lid from opening if there's any pressure inside, but it gets stuck. So if you use something like a chopstick, you can push the pin down, and then you'll find the catch releases, and you can open the lid. So to prevent it from happening again, take some degreaser and clean the interlock pin. So you want to get all the fat and grease off of this pin. So make sure you clean the shaft behind the button and the seating area that it comes up on when it goes inside. Set the catch to the lock position. This will hold the interlock pin down, which enables you to carefully pull off the rubber washer. Carefully clean it all over and remove all traces of fat and grease. Refit the rubber washer onto the interlock pin. And to test the pin, set the catch to unlocked and try operating it with the chopstick and make sure that it falls down freely and doesn't get stuck up. Refit the fan cover. The two small pegs go at the back. Hopefully your Instant Pot will be back in full operation. Thank you for watching.